everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make makhan, also known as white butter. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. This is a super simple recipe for which you will only need 2 ingredients. To make the white butter, we will be needing ice cold water and heavy whipping cream. Here we are using 500 grams of whipping cream. This white butter is ready in minutes. All you need is a large bowl and a whisk. Start by pouring the cream in a bowl and whisk away. Here we have used a mixer, however you can also do this with a food processor or a blender. Now we let the cream whisk until it separates. Make sure to clean the sides of the bowl so that the cream is mixed well. Once your cream starts to look like this, we are not far from our white butter. Once the cream starts to look like this, you can add the ice cold water. This will help it separate even further and form the white butter. And there you have it, we just made makhan, or white butter. Now in a separate bowl, you can strain out the butter using a sieve or a cheesecloth. Once strained, you can wash out the white butter with water. And there you go, our white butter is now ready. You can serve this with whatever you like, however, we enjoyed it with warm parathas. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.